nothing but next problem, determine the suitable number of slots and conductor per slot for the stator winding of a 3-phase 3300 volt 50 Hz 300 rpm alternator. The diameter is 2.3 meter and the axial length of the core is 0.35 meter. The maximum flux density in the air gap should be approximately 0.9 Weber per meter square. Assume sinusoidal flux distribution. Use single layer winding and star connection for the stator. So this is the problem based on the synchronous machine. Here we have to calculate number of slots and the conductor per slot. So first we have to find out the synchronous speed ns. Ns is nothing but it is given to you 300 rpm. We have to convert into seconds. 300 divided by 60 Hz. Here it is taken as per the USA frequency. You can take 50 Hz also. So 300 divided by 60 is 5 rps. Here it is given 50 Hz. You have to take the 50 Hz also. So 5 rps. Now number of poles P, 2F by P. So we got number of poles 20. Then average flux density we have to calculate, that is nothing but B average is nothing but 2 pi into flux density. Flux density which is given approximately is 0.9, that we have to take for B average. 2 upon pi into flux density, we got 0.574 Weber per meter square. Then flux per pole we have to calculate. So flux per pole for this, B average pi dl upon P. This is the formula that I had explained already. So we got 72.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. Now voltage per phase, EPH. See, voltage is given to you 3300. It is star connected. So for that EPH 3300 divided by root 3. So we got 1910 volt. Now turns per phase, that formula also I said you already. TPH is equal to EPH upon 4.44 F. Then here flux phi, that is 72.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into kW, that is 0.955. This is not given. I said many times if it is not given you take 0.955. So we got 124 TPH. The slot pitch should be nearly 40 mm for 3.3 kV machine. This condition has been given. You have to remember this. So slot per pole per phase Q is nothing but pi d upon 3p into ys. So here pi d we are knowing, then 3 p number of pole ys. Ys we have taken 40 mm. So it is in centimeter, it is 4 we have taken. So Q we got 3. So now number of stator slot as 3pq. 3 is number of phases, p is the number of poles, and q we have calculated here. Slot per pole per phase is 3, that we have calculated. Otherwise mostly q starts from 3 only. So here we have taken 3, that is nothing but 180. So total number of stator conductor, formula 6 TPH, 6 into TPH 124, we got 744. So conductor per slot means total conductors divided by slots. So ZS is 744 upon number of slots are, we got it 180. So here we got S stator slot SS 180. So we got conductor per slot is 4. Now total stator conductors SS stator slots into 4 conductor per slot 7, we got 720. Same by this formula we again got find out the TPH. TPH is nothing but 720, which is already we have calculated, divided by 6. So this 720 we have calculated here. 720 6, that formula is there, 6 TPH. 6 TPH is nothing but what? Total stator conductors. So TPH is 720 divided by